Welcome to Sophia Science, the YouTube channel that answers all your questions about the world of science, including science mysteries, aliens. The content of today's video is
Scientists at Johns Hopkins University discovered 3 brand new mutations in brain cell proteins. These mutations disrupt normal cell activity and trigger brain cancer. The mutated proteins are located on the cell surface, making them direct targets for anti-cancer drugs. Advances in gene sequencing and molecular analysis made this breakthrough possible. Next step, developing compounds that can block or reverse these genetic changes. This could transform brain cancer from a death sentence into a treatable disease, a discovery that brings new hope for millions of patients worldwide. Now, let's get started. New discovery about brain cancer. Have you ever wondered what makes a perfectly normal brain cell suddenly turn into a ruthless killer, spreading chaos and destruction? The answer may lie in invisible doors hidden on the surface of our cells, doors controlled by tiny molecules called proteins. And if even one of those doors is broken, the enemy can slip inside, unleashing one of the deadliest diseases known to humanity: brain cancer. But here's what makes this discovery so extraordinary. These proteins aren't buried deep inside the cell, where no drug can reach. They sit right on the surface, exposed and vulnerable, a perfect target for future cancer therapies. For the first time, medicine may have a direct way to strike at the heart of brain cancer without fighting blind inside the genetic maze. To uncover this, researchers use the power of modern gene sequencing technology, a tool that can read every letter of DNA, every tiny molecular note of life's grand symphony. And within that music, they found 3 notes gone wrong, 3 small mistakes that turned harmony into deadly dissonance. But this is just the beginning. The next step is even more daring: to discover compounds that can block these genetic mutations or even reverse their deadly effects. Imagine a drug that doesn't just slow cancer down, but rewinds the process, restoring broken cells back to normal. Picture this: one day when a doctor tells a patient, "You have brain cancer," it won't sound like a death sentence anymore. Instead, it will be followed by, "But don't worry, we have a treatment that can lock those doors again, and your cells will heal." This discovery from Johns Hopkins is more than science. It's a beacon of hope, a promise that even against one of humanity's most feared diseases, we are not powerless. And perhaps in the near future, when we speak of cancer, we won't speak of fear and despair, but of victory. The victory of science, of humanity over one of its greatest enemies.
Welcome to Sophia Science, the YouTube channel that answers all your questions about the world of science, including science mysteries, aliens.